Hello friends, welcome to Navratna's channel. I'm your friend and your astrologer. This channel will provide you information and solutions on astrology, Vastu Shastra and numerology. From today, we are starting on Nakshatra series. As we know, Ashwini Nakshatra is the first Nakshatra among other 28 Nakshatras. We will know what is Ashwini Nakshatra and reveal its secret. Please stay tuned. Today we'll understand what will be the characteristic of a person if Mars is placed in Ashwini Nakshatra in their chart. Now let us understand what will be the characteristic of a person who has Mars planet in Ashwini Nakshatra in their chart. See, what I am trying to make astrology here very simple. I want to see to it that the astrology is been understood by you in a very simple way. So logically understanding the subject is very much important. Here we'll understand first what Mars represent. Mars represent energy of the body. It also represent muscle power. So as per Shastras, Mars is called Shakti Karaka. So any if the person's to determine person's energy level or even a muscle power, we have to first check how Mars is placed in his or her chart. Secondly, Mars represent desires. As per Shastras, Mars is called Vasana Karaka. So Vasana can be of anything. So desire can be of anything. So now Mars is with Jupiter. Jupiter is Jnana Karaka. So the such type of person who's having Jupiter and Mars combination will be a Jnana Vasana person. He will go to any extent to learn things. Similarly, if Mars is with Venus, so Venus is a calm Vasana. So sexual Venus is represented by sex. So when Mars and Venus are in combination or in aspect, certain type of person will be very active in sex. So similarly, this manifestation of desire is being judged by placement of Mars, where exactly the Mars is in his or her chart. Third thing, very important thing is risk taking capacity or a daring capacity of a person. Now what type of risk he is going to take? Either he'll be going taking undue risk or a calculated risk. See, a strong Mars person will always take many risk. Now if it is been expected by a good planet, then the result will be positive. If it is been expected by negative or bad planet, the result may be negative. Fourth important thing, Mars is also Karaka for weapons or instrument. So the Karaka for to use any weapon or any instrument is being judged by placement of a Mars. Uh, in this case, if suppose if a doctor using his instrument or a surgeon using his instrument well, will conclude the operation in a very successful way. Similarly, a police person or police personnel using his arm very in a very successful way will command over his enemies. So this can be judged by the placement of Mars. Now let us understand what does Ashwini Nakshatra represent. Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of healers. So this type of people has a tendency to heal or help people. And the symbol for this is horse. Now what does this mean? This type of people will always have a tendency of completing work in very urgent way. Say they will take any work, they will try complete it as fast as possible. And third thing is their application of their energy is to heal, help, or for the cause. If ever they feel like, however, this whichever things they feel they are, it is good or it is for right, they will go for it. So this application of their energy for good can this energy can be any energy. It can be physical energy, their mental energy, their communicative energy. Any of this energy they will utilize for the cause. And fourth, this nakshatra also represent motion or a movement. So this type of people are more agile. So agility of a person is been seen from this nakshatra. See, when Mars being a fiery planet in fiery tattva nakshatra, both see Mars and nakshatra. Mars is Agni tattva, nakshatra Ashwini nakshatra is also an Agni tattva. Makes a person very strong headed, very aggressive in nature, and will have dictatorship like quality in them. These type of people are very strong-headed to accomplish goals. They will be fighter types in their profile. I mean, if they can be of any profile, they may be the doctor, they may be in some sales, they may be in they may be lawyer, but they will be like a competitive type and will have a working capacity of 24 into 7. Being Agni Tattva and very strong Mars here makes a person and gives a person energy in abundance. See, Mars is energy and Agni Tattva also is a fire. So energy, fire, and in Ashwini Nakshatra is an objective oriented nakshatra. So such type of person will work 24 into 7 for accomplishing of their goals or their objectives. When Mars is placed here, Mars being a physical energy, see, Mars is physical energy, nakshatra is of Ketu and it is Ashwini Kumar, who are healer or helper, makes a person utilize its physical energy more to help or heal. They will be a person who will jump, will take risk, jump in the thing and complete their objective. So their application of their physical energy will be to the peak compared to other energies to help or for the to help or for a cause of the certain things which they feel they are, it is good. And fourth important thing is both nakshatra and planet both represent speed, make a person speed lover. Hence they will be very good in sports requiring muscle power and also speed. They can be good in bodybuilding, car racers, bike racers. So you can see certain people who are very much into speed, they love speeds. Now we'll understand what will be the result of a Mars Mahadasha for such natives who is having Mars in Ashwini Nakshatra. So these type of people being very much active, that is their ability of having energy and of to work for 24 into 7 on certain commitments, and their risk taking factor or a daring factor makes them very famous during Mars Mahadasha. Now, best professions for them. See, basically, if this Mahars, that is this Mangal, is been aspected or in a very good yogas with a positive sun, that is positive Surya Devata in their chart, may make them best in the national defense, either army, air force, naval. See, what is Mars? Mars is energy. It is your courage. And what is Sun? Sun represents government. So system becomes very much in support with you. So such type of people can be very good into defense. They can be good in as a police officers. Such type of people can be seen from Mars and Sun combination or aspect in this nakshatra. When this Mars of Ashwini Nakshatra has been aspected by Jupiter, that is aspected or in good yogas with Jupiter, that is Guru, then Jupiter Lord. Such type of person can opt for a field like physiotherapist doctor. Now, what is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is a study of muscles. Mars represent muscles, and doctor is jnana. So basically, physiotherapist doctor is been seen by Jupiter and Mars combination. Coaches of international sports team. So those Jnana is basically with Jupiter, and international sports team is sports is represented by Mars, gym instructors, kung fu masters, etc. Now we'll see if the Mars is having an aspect or in a positive yoga with Mercury, that is Buddha Devta. See, what is Mars? Mars is an energy. It is also instrumentation. And what is Mercury? Mercury is communication. So anything with combination of such things can make the person very much good into electronics, instrumentations, IT, print media. So such type of people can opt for certain fields, like they can go in IT field, they can go in electronic and telecommunication, instrumentations, etc. Now we'll understand if the positive moon is been aspected or is in positive yoga with Mars of Ashwini Nakshatra, makes a person a street fighter or a very good in sports oriented personality. Here we can understand what is Mars. Mars is basically your energy, your desires, and what is Moon? Moon is your plain mind. So when Moon is been having influence of a strong desire like Mars, makes a person very much rational, or you can say very much aggressive in approach. Such type of people can take very active participation in sports. They can be very good in bodybuilding, they can be very good in the weightlifting. Now we'll see if the positive Venus, that is Lord Shukra Devata, is in good aspect with Mars in their chart, or in good yogas with Mars in their chart. See, what is Venus? Venus is a karaka for creativity, is a karaka for entertainment. And what is Mars? Mars is a karaka for your energy. It is karaka for desire. So combination of such things makes a person very good in dancers, very good in musicians. So those who use instruments well, they can be better drummist, guitarist, or one who use the instruments for entertainment. Such type of things. When this Mars of Ashwini Nakshatra has been aspected by positive Saturn or is in yogas with positive Saturn, that Lord Shani Devata, it makes to be one of the bestest mechanical engineers. See, you can understand what is Saturn. Saturn is anything which related to metals. So Saturn with Mars combination. Mars is the energy. So when these both planets are in a very good yoga, makes a person a engineer by default. Such type of person can actually make any engine work. They are the one of the bestest automobile engineers, mechanical engineers, or you can say machine repairers, etc. So now let us understand what will be the characteristics of a person who is having a positive influence of Rahu on Ashwini Nakshatra Mars in their chart. See, basically, you should understand what is Rahu. Rahu is anything which is not accepted by society easily. It also represents drugs. It represents uh, chemicals, or you can say duplicacy, cheating. And what is Mars? Mars represents your risk-taking factor. Mars represents your energy level. It's your muscle power. So when you see when there is a positive yoga, such type of person do very well into a technical field where there is which is related to biotechnology, biogas, biomass related technology, where technology is also there and all pharmacy products are also there. They can be very good into chemical engineering, or they can opt for a certain field where there is masking capacity for a person, and which is also been considered to be a risk taking. So certain things fields like CID, underground agents, etc. Now this Mars of Ashwini Nakshatra is in influence or in a positive aspect or a yoga of positive Ketu, that Lord Ketu Devata makes person very good into software side. He can be very good coder. So basically Ketu also represents software and Mars represents energy. So, or Ashwini Nakshatra represent anything for a cause. So, such type of people do very well into helping people in by doing some softwares. They can be very good software engineers. They can be very good in IT, etc. Now we'll see what will be the result if this Mars, Ashwini Nakshatra Mars, is either afflicted or is associated with negative or benefic planet. This type of person may have head related issues. It can be high blood pressure, head injury, etc. As you know, Ashwini Nakshatra represents brain of Kal Purush Pandit. So any injury to Ashwini Nakshatra is an injury to the brain. So Mars being a injury karaka, if afflicted, it can give you head related accident or head related injury. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.